Who needs a gym or a washing machine when you've got a tricycle and irrigation water? This lady just unlocked the ultimate 2-in-1 life hack. She said,
I need to lose weight and wash clothes.
no problem. So what did she do? She grabbed her trusty three-wheeled bike, yes, the one usually for errands, and turned it into a DIY spin cycle. Literally. Step 1. Dump the dirty clothes in the irrigation canal. Step 2. Add soap, a lot of it, like bubble party levels. Then, as the water carried the clothes through a tunnel of doom, they magically entered her homemade washing basket, mounted perfectly under her pedaling station. Every pedal she takes, the basket spins. Every drop of sweat, one shirt cleaner. It's cardio and laundry day. Why pay for a gym or electricity when your creativity runs on detergent and determination? Drop a bicycle in the comments if you respect this level of resourcefulness.